world famous, Mike Berry. You can't be world famous and still record on an old GoPro.
I got a 4 Plus. What are you talking about? Hey, Lee gave me a 4 Plus 2 conferences ago. Was it 2 conferences ago or was it last conference?
Last year.
Last year. So I've been on a 4 Plus.
We got a less old GoPro. Still old, but it's an 8.
So each hive life I come to, in 10 years, I'm going to have me a big old camera.
This was a hand-me-down to me from Yappy.
This has got Yappy roots.
It's got Yappy roots. It's been on a bunch of cutouts of me. And it's off to you.
Look at you, man.
It's got
I thought we were going to do a meetup somewhere.
It's got an SD card, charged batteries, it's ready to go.
Hey, Lee, man. I appreciate the 4 Plus, but you got me this one now.
That 8's even better. We're going to have all different kind of angles from him now.
I know.
You got a name, Blue King? Every
A bunch of them there.
Look at this, Pop.
I see that. Man, that's a cool bad dude.
I think I feel something in my head.
Well, I'm gone there. Just flying around. See there?
What are they doing digging in there?
They getting it cleaned up so they can put some honey in there.
I know what those little tiny holes are called.
What are they called?
Beeswax.
Yep. It's made of beeswax. Sure is. It's what the bees make. They're
That's
cool.
a lot of beeswax.
Yeah, there's a whole lot more than all these other boxes.
Pull out more?
Yep.
There's 1,000 beeswax?
Yep, and a lot of it.
I bet a lot more, Mommy.
Yeah, no, you stay over this way a little bit. That's a bunch more, okay.
She is not scared.
Didn't want to grab it. No, she's not, which is great. Because they just working. They're not paying any attention to us. Let's see if I can.
Papa's doing a burnout.
This thing just it don't move on this surface. Yeah, that's my magnifying glass.
There's some more beeswax with a lot of brown.
Yeah.
I mean, clear stuff.
Mama's getting our picture. Say, look, you getting your picture took.
There's a lot of beeswax with those clear stuff in them. Is it clear stuff, honey?
It is. It sure is.
I'm making
Can you
lot of
see it?
honey. Yeah.
Does it look funny?
Uh-huh. It looks so funny.
What does it look like?
Bees.
Oh, bees. That's a good one.
Oh, see those bees so close.
Yeah. They look real big when you.
Hey, those bees look a little fuzzy.
Yep. I got one on my head. See him? Get off me. He's still there.
He flew off.
Yep.
I thought he was gonna sting you.
Well, sometimes they do, but not very often.
Yeah. Some bees only sting you if you're trying to hurt them.
Yep, that's true. But they really don't know what you're doing, so they don't know if you're trying to hurt them or not. They just know there's something in there that don't belong.
It stung me on my hand, but look at the stinger.
I think it stung you.
It's pulsing. See how it's like bumping?
Yeah.
Look at it really close. See it wiggling?
Yeah.
That's the bee stinger trying to pump poison.
That's what it's doing.
It stung you, Mommy.
It was an accident.
I'm trying to scrape it backwards if you can see what direction.
But what are you trying to do with the bees?
Well, it landed on my hand and I accidentally squeezed my
Yeah,
hand.
that's what I did with this while ago. Baby, let me have my magnifying glass.
Are you at my house?
No. I'm about to leave my house. I was just making sure it's 3:45 p.m. I was just making sure he's ready for a job. Well, bring something warm. We'll be down by the beach, so you don't know how windy it's going to be. He must have changed his mind. Kenneth was out here 10 minutes ago.
In case you haven't noticed, it's you. But I mean, I can't blame her, but at the time,
my work was taking me all over Alabama. She was drifting into you almost a minute ago.
What's she doing? Her windshield wipers are on.
She's got the phone in her hand.
Her windshield wipers are running.
Loud pipes save lives.
But didn't save his leg.
Yeah, well,
sorry, Diego.
that was it. That was a bitch like in that in an old Chevy. Anything from Jacques Cousteau to Mutual Omaha's Wild Kingdom.
Yeah, that was a good one.
The white line is for passing only. All right, y'all. It's 2024. Here's the first one.
So next time I do a video with you, I'm gonna come stand at the entry to the Abbey with a cardboard sign that says anything else, and you can drive by and throw out an old frame or something. Welcome back to the 628 Dirt Rooster channel, y'all, where hobby beekeeping is a way of life. Starting out 2024 with an Airbnb, bees in the column. We're probably just checking it out this evening. It's 5 o'clock. We got 30 minutes of daylight left. You want to introduce yourself?
Oh, wait. Hi, y'all. I'm Mr. Ed.
2024 should be a better year for us. 23 was a slack year. Y'all didn't get to see a lot of peat in 23.
No.
So let's go look at this one. Over here.
This one.
Oh, that's the right side column. This is the right side. Definitely, they're flying. As cool as it is.
Yeah, but where they're going?
They're right here.
This side.
Yeah.
That's where it paints. You can't see them all. There's 2 of them. False beam with a lolly column in it?
I'm sure.
Oh, I could tell they didn't do a very good job of hiding the idea when they put it together.
I think that's going to be a cap there, though. I don't think they're going to go up past this cap right here. This should be the absolute
I just
max.
tapped it, nothing, no noise came, no buzz up there.
Yeah, they just painted this.
Ain't enough room for you to lay underneath there.
Why do you think you're here?
So this does not look anything difficult like that last one.
No, this one's gonna be pretty.
And you said you've
straightforward.
done many of these under these cottages, huh?
Oh yeah. They like to build under these cottages and mobile homes.
And what is your recommendation for us to keep it from happening again?
This is just-
how do we seal that?
Yeah, this is gonna have to be sealed up.
Gosh, okay. We'll have to figure out how.
Oh, there we go. We're at it.
What you got?
Oh goodness, these are
Good sized colony. They chewed all the insulation out.
Oh great, speaking of insulation.
Come on with that smoker.
I gotta restock it.
And I'm not filming you, Randy. I'm just filming that.
Just starting on this cutout. Check out the honey we've got. Pop that bowl. in.
Oh, this one?
Yeah, look at that. Look at that beautiful capped honey. That was the first 2 combs.
Got a good taste, flavor good.
Yeah, it is some
That
good
is
stuff.
good. It's good. And there could be X number of combs in each. Wow.
Yeah, there's probably 20 combs in this hive.
20. Oh my gosh. What do you estimate you're on?
That's a good
About
looking comb.
What are we on, number 5 maybe?
5 of them, maybe 20. Wow.
No, this one might have 12 to 15.
I guess until you get further back, you're really not sure.
Yeah, it goes back over that frame.
It goes over the beam?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Are y'all not going to be able to get them all?
No, we'll get them. I ain't got no problem with that. All right, so we let them gather up on the combs, and then we just gently run the back across them. So we can hear them,
Yeah, I mean,
pulling into the tube.
No, I don't think.
And not in this kind of heat, huh? That's going to be real crazy down here.
1, 2, 3.
All right. Now I can sync the audio up in post, and we can just drive and talk. Remember that old radio station right there?
Nope.
Used to be a house right there before they built all that big high tech. Colonial Bakery. Have you lived here long enough to remember Colonial Bakery?
Nope.
Right there. Used to drive by here and it smelled so good because they made the bread there.
But who were they making it for?
Colonial bread. I remember when that apartment complex wasn't there, and they called me last year for bees in that building right there behind the bus stop.
Well, right here, all behind this, all these weeds, a
Yeah.
few houses. That's the golf course.
This house right here, this building right here had bees in it last year. A big hive up top, 3rd floor. That's a golf course back there?
Yeah, a disc golf course back there.
Is it still open?
Yeah, there's a big pavilion back there. There's a dog park back there. What, they offer air now?
Oh yeah, keeps the guys on bicycles going. Alright, we need some white trim nails, a cheap hammer, and some blue. Test, 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 test. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That woman thinks you're barking at her. She has to look to see a look on her face.
I'm just syncing up the sound.
You don't think that's quite no way for driving?
Not for me.
Now to get a clear shot, just look into the back of the camera there.
I was getting there where I could see stuff off to the side a little bit. Sunshine this way. I'm getting it where it's pointing kind of that way. That building right there, I went to kindergarten in.
My favorite building in this city.
This is not the part of town you want to invest in.
It's not the part of town you want to be in after dark.
Hey.